obodo kwali ameyona kpona the komunyo jili meyona kpona chadidi nyo jili ka la doma uma afia do wa oba no fol regional ma o mo kata oba tato meto la fia do awom la in regional minister akpanao ala oba do na wa na ma do mia bol agia hawa yo ne ba mia to pol la fia no la mia bokwa ka mia we mala mia bo yo nya jijo na bana ne do wam plow ashila shima. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, under His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, in his first administration, under which I served as Deputy Minister, the Ministry for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts was able to ratify the UNESCO conventions that looks at the safeguarding of intangible cultural heritage and highlights the cultural and historical significance of hand-woven textiles. Under that convention, the Folklore Board, one of the agencies under the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, was able to have Kete as we know it in Ewe, Kete as we know it in Akan, and the Smok or Fugu as we know it in the north, registered or listed on the World Heritage Site. So your work here in Agbotima and that across the country, in Agbozuma, in Kliko, in Aplawo, in Bonyure, all of the work that you do is the reason why we were able to have Kete listed. And so you must take pride in what you're doing here and continue to get the young people involved in it. We must learn to pass on the heritage that we have come to meet so that posterity will find their source of livelihood and vocation in the various sectors and domains under the tourism, culture, and creative arts space. Way forward, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana has empowered us by instituting the Black Star Experience. That experience is really to harness and pull together all the experiences of Africans around the world and also on the continent, and for us to take pride in our heritage, for us to love our culture and promote that as tourism for other people to come and see. I urge you, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to take advantage of the Black Star Experience and find your calling. And when you have found it, we as the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts will help you to unearth it further and promote it for the world to cherish. Recently, I had the opportunity to meet with the MDCEs in the region, and I charged them and empowered them to look within their various municipalities and districts and identify what is new in their various communities and bring them to us to be able to promote them for them. Under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the district assemblies are going to get 80% of their common fund. That kind of resource is what you and I are going to use to promote tourism locally in all the communities. And so, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as you listen to me, I hope that if you are in the gastronomy sector, if you are in textiles, if you are in beauty, if you are in the promotion of tourism, tour guiding, and what have you, know that you have a place under the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts. And through the regional officers, appeal to us and we will support you to promote your work. Our culture is not just the food or the drumming. It is also the songs that we sing. It is in our language. It is in the life cycle, the stages of life, from birth to death. The more you preserve what is uniquely yours, the better the opportunity for you to earn a resource from that. The world is not ready for photocopying. The world is ready for originality, authenticity. And so I want to urge you to preserve so that we can promote what you have in Agbotima and also the Volta region at large. On behalf of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, I bring you 20,000 Ghana cedis as our contribution to the celebration. Baba Glomanade. Nana Bertichioba Ahade Ahabodona. Maya of Bramokolo. Ala the Pong Vukla Hamaham or Katama. Takava on Mabana, Babu Toba Muvaji Jona Umia and me, Umiato. Najava in a nama at Dogona Bugana Sohiao. Short Jima Banani Nogo. Alaba, a memana so with the chipopo day. Ajabanova Angolama, Alova Aguatima, Ajaba de Chimayo Abadu. A chapo.